Hi, my name is Azam. My last name is Dashti Khavidaki. My project is Cultivating 21st Century Skill Digital Research Infrastructure for Sustainable Development Goals in supporting participatory research involving children with refugee experience. Project background, I've always been interested and explored effective knowledge mobilization to present research to a broader audience, and also I've been interested in collaborating in project. I've conducted and fostered art-based digital participatory research, such as selfing, photo voice, digital storytelling with marginalized children. And I really looked for an effective way to manage the massive data we produced and the children produced. And also, I had some concerns about digital inequalities. So I thought that's a great project. Cultivating 21st Century was a great project to meet our goals. The goals I achieved with OLS and Digital Alliance funding was that I continue supporting research with refugee children. I also supported the Wellbeing project, which involved refugee children. I also submitted a proposal for ethical approval to support researchers working with refugee children and engage in web development. More accomplishments, submitted papers and received acceptance for two prestigious conference papers, ARICES, focusing on art-based, digital-based participatory research with refugee children, engaged in digital advocacy on platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Also explored research in AI machine learning, and I signed up for a course and I'm learning that. Goals and expectation was I wanted to have the confidence to lead open life science and digital alliance projects. And then I think I am more confident, much more confident. And I wanted to engage more than 25 participants and researchers among equity sitting groups that I luckily with this training, I'm able and currently I'm doing. And I wish that I will continue to more than 50 in the future. Exploring the problems and projects, yes, we had challenges such as lack of knowledge about research data management for data metadata. At the same time, we really had a hard times finding a secure repository for our data and in a way that it should be a SharePoint so different collaborators from different universities and research assistants could work together. So it took a while until we figured it out and my training helped the team a lot and we are really thankful for that. Also organizing workshops and finding a plan was also another challenge, and code learning and programming was another challenge that luckily I could meet that, and now I'm confident for that. How OLS helped me structuring my project with Open Canvas tool, which was very, very useful. Roadmap for my project, it helped me a lot. And of course, the project, constructive feedback during cohort calls, using open science principles to share my work, such as GitHub, which was very, very useful for our project, and mentor support. These are the examples of the README file I've created, also the committees I did on GitHub, and the codings I learned on GitHub, and created a website for our project. Key learning, the importance of collaboration, sharing, integration of diversity and inclusion principle in my activities, open science principle, learning about data management, refer data, metadata, and patience, understanding for others for group work. Key elements that helped in my progress, mentorship and open teams support, attending cohort session, receiving support on Slack, and discussion with other researchers. Immediate goals, so yeah, continuing workshops with refugee children, and also conducting peer-to-peer training sessions in teacher learning service at McGill University for teaching research data management, GitHub, and the other things. Supporting other researchers in our lab, and presenting conference in long term. I like to lead EDI projects and advocate for EDI as projects and digital research alliance, and engage with more equity seeking groups. These are the places that you can reach at me, such as my GitHub website, Azam Dashti GitHub, LinkedIn, and my McGill email. This website also, that was something I learned in OLS training. Thanks to the Digital Research Alliance of Canada for funding, to my supervisor and Professor Claudia Michel, my mentor for DIDIA project, for OLS mentor, Dr. Emma Caron, to the project manager of OLS, Dr. Malvika Sharon, to the OLS community for their support, and to all participant partners and experts involved in this project. Thank you.